just keeps going. What? And then there's my children. I want you to say to your future self, this is my first hike. Mom never carried me at all. Oh my gosh.
What?
Look up, Haley.
Aloha from Hawaii.
Aloha from Hawaii. Welcome back, you beautiful people, to the wonderful island of Maui.
This is the best hike.
Past 2 weeks, my mom has been out visiting with us over in, well, the Hawaiian Islands. We started off on Oahu, which is where the girls and I are currently living, and then progressed to Maui. This was our first trip to Maui, and we've been glamping over in Camp Olowalu and enjoying a lot of the island. But it was time to say goodbye to my mom. She had to fly back to work. Did you enjoy your trip with Grandma? I miss Grandma. That's true. It was sad letting my mom go. It was a wonderful, wonderful time with my mom. I love doing vacations with my mom. We have gone to all kinds of places. New York, London, Ireland, crazy trips. Wonderful, wonderful memories. So it meant a lot that she was able to come out here, spend a week on Oahu, and spend a week on Maui. And the girls and I were gonna spend the next couple days on Maui, just the three of us, before heading home. Now, originally we weren't planning on doing the road to Hana, but that day the wind was just crazy. Not the best day to go swimming or at the beach, so we were going to do the road to Hana. Now, the road to Hana, a lot of people talk about this, right? It's high up there on the bucket list for what to do when you come to Maui, and it actually was not high on my list, right? It's 50 miles, but it's so windy and so crazy. People talk about how stressful it is to drive this thing. Why not? Let's do this. Hopefully we don't regret it, because we are starting pretty late in the day to do this from what I understand. I have no real plans, no real expectations. I have a general sense of what's out there and what we can do. We're just gonna go see what happens. This is definitely the adventurous side to Maui. And you know what? I am so happy that we did this, because I had been kind of overwhelmed by all the California-ness part of the island of Maui. It was, dry. There were rolling hills, pastures, farmland, peach trees. I don't know if it was peach trees, but you get the idea. It was very dry, very California. And then you had a lot of high-end resorts that were just like the ones you would find in California.
Take me out to California.
Look at that. We could be
Me out to
in Napa Valley.
I feel the day.
But when we took the road to Hana, we left all that behind, and we discovered what I was really hoping to find: the heart and soul of this island.
There's no place I'd rather be,
Down the surfboard out at sea.
lingering in the ocean blue.
And if I had one wish come true,
I'd surf till the sun sets beyond.
I found out later it was something like 60 one-lane bridges, over 600 curves through endless waterfalls, bamboo forests. You were seeing the coast at times. It was insane. And I have to say, I did not film a whole lot during this time, so we did a reenactment for you. 620 curves. Poor little Alex. Oh man. Now there are endless stops along the way, and if you were to do all of them, it would probably take you 3 days. Not to mention that there's very little parking for each one of these things. So you're competing with a lot of people on what you want to do. So I had a couple ideas of what I wanted to achieve from this day's drive. I mean, one, it was the drive itself, but two, there was a hike at the end of it that I really wanted to reach, and so we kind of just booked it straight there. And it was hard not to stop along the way, but I'm really happy that we did, because if I had tried to make a lot of stops and do this all in one day, we probably wouldn't have been home until late in the night. And it was a lot, you know, being a solo parent style. John's back working. Maybe if there was the two of us and we could tag team it, but I was very happy with what we achieved. End goal was to get to I'm gonna butcher this. Waimanalo Falls. Waimanalo Falls. I'm gonna say it 3 times and see if that works. Oh gosh. Highly recommended hike. 4-mile hike, 2 miles up, 2 miles down, and it was gonna be the longest hike for Alex and Haley. So I actually hadn't told my girls that that was today's plan. I mean, really, I didn't even decide that we were gonna even do this drive until after dropping off Grandma at the airport. And here we were at the trailhead to Waimanalo Falls. And the deciding factor was whether or not we could refill our water bottles, right? Because I really had not planned for this. The girls were wearing Crocs, for gosh sakes. So they ended up having a water bottle fill station right there. Oh, downed a lot of water, filled everything up, and that was at that point that I told the girls, hey, we're gonna go on a hike right now.
We're not down.
All right, so we're here, and we are gonna hike up here. And they took it in stride. Come on, Yashio.
I'm Groot. Here's a baby, evil Groot.
I was shocked by how much energy Alex and Haley had.
It's you.
Robin Hood and Little John walking through the forest, laughing back and
No, there's
forth at
not.
what the other has to
Is
say.
there? Yes, there is.
Reminiscing,
You're
messing
one
around, and
is
having
my
such
body.
a good time. Oodle lolly, golly, what
You want to spank.
Never ever thinking
Spank.
there was danger in the water. They
My
were thinking they just guzzled it
little
down.
booty.
Did I miss something? How did you guys get all of this energy for this?
It down. Never dreaming that a scheming sheriff and his posse was watching them and gathering around. Robin Hood and Little John running through the forest, jumping fences, dodging trees, and trying to get away. Contemplating nothing but escape and finally making it. Oodle-lolly,
My
oodle-lolly,
radio. We have to chase over evil Alex.
golly, what a day.
Falls is a little dried up over there. All right, we made it to the bamboo forest.
We have made it! Wow! That looks so cool!
That is amazing. Everything. We seem to do a lot of bamboo forests, don't we? Oh, wow. Go up, stop crying about it. Go, go, go.
to swim, to surf.
That's cool.
Yep. I had a video of that noise, Mama.
That's awesome.
It sounded like it was like falling down behind us. That was scary. I remember that day. Oh my God,
Oh my gosh. I don't think my children appreciate how beautiful this is. This is what I always hope for national parks. This is amazing. It just keeps going. What? And then there's my children. You're almost there. You're doing so well, Haley. I'm so proud of you.
I love you, Mom.
Rose and I have hiked through a couple bamboo forests in our time, but there was just something about this one that just was magical.
I'll turn you into a magic mouse. You'll never catch me. Woo! Alex, stop.
Okay, good job. Yes, I guess we're running. Well, let's go a little further. We're almost there. There she is. Boom. Please. Please, Alex. Thanks, dude. Please, Maui. Oh my gosh.
What?
Look up, Haley.
God.
That is an amazing waterfall.
We're gonna go there. I'm gonna show you this beautiful mountain. I mean, waterfall. After when I see it all. Because I only see half. I only see half. Now, you ready? Are you ready?
I mean, we're kind of spoiled when it comes to waterfalls this past year living out in Oahu, but this was just, I am pretty sure they use this in Jurassic Park. I need to look this up. Please someone put in the comments if you recognize this waterfall, because this one was crazy beautiful, massive. So now it was time for the 2-mile hike back. And Haley had been doing so well, but I really, really did not want to carry her on my shoulders on the way back. I needed this child to make it. And so Alex and I played this game where Haley pretended that she had magical powers. And every step that she took, she was like, earthquake! Alex and I had to pretend that we were getting struck down and having to roll and barely struggle, right? Every single step for 2 miles. It was a really long hike back to the car.
It's not Maggie.
Hey, come on, Haley. There was only one moment where she asked to get on my shoulders, and I had an ace up my sleeve, and it was a bag of chips, her favorite bag of chips, back in the car. And I totally bribed my child to finish walking for those bag of chips. And then if she was going to get picked up, she would not earn them. And she did it. Is it well worth it, Haley? I want you to say to your future self, this is my first hike I ever hiked by myself.
By myself.
Mom never carried me at all.
Mom never carried me at all.
And I earned these chips today.
And I earned these chips today.
Good job, kid. High five it. Go get in that car. So we've got the AC cranking. We've got chips. We're starting the road back. The road back to Hana. What an amazing day. I feel like I finally have really seen Maui. I was just getting overwhelmed from all the California style resorts and California condos right along the beach over there, and this is what I was hoping for coming here. I'm really happy. We were not actually planning on doing the road to Hana today or this trip, so it was amazing. It was a really long way back. It was something like 3.5 hours back to Camp Olowalu. I got my road trip fix. The girls can demonstrate what they did.
Pickles.
And we had to stop at Leota's for some fresh lemonade and some sandwiches because there was I'm not cooking. I was so exhausted. I could barely make it for my children. Who's got an itchy armpit? Do you have a bug bite there too? But I got them in bed. We called it a night, and what an epic, unplanned adventure this day was. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Mahalo for watching. And on next episode, you guys, what are we doing next episode? And on the next episode, you guys, Alex is going to get a private surf lesson from a professional surfer on Lahaina. See you guys later. You did.